Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We're gonna presenting our video of early childhood education, how to teach English from Prague Kindergarten Part 2 English for children. Before we start it, we're gonna introduce ourselves. My name is Titani Eifely. There is Dennis Hoky S, Maula Safira, Betrick Silalahi, and Indira Nuraini. First, Prague is the capital in Czech Republic. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce. The official language of Prague is Czech. Meanwhile, English is the second language. First of all, we're gonna explain what is ESL meaning. ESL is a common abbreviation used in schools, and it stands for English as a second language. Schools will often use the term ESL when describing the programs that educate students who are not native English speakers, and for describing the ESL students themselves. ESL classes are also available for adults through various community programs. And then in this video, the class is learning about color, which is focusing in hearing the name of colors. They do activities in the classroom. Before the class started, they do warm activities, and they study with circle methods.
Okay, and then we have a warm-up activity. Before class started, they do warm-up activity like head, shoulder, knee, and toe. Then repeat it quickly. This warm-up activity is like we exercising about student movement. We will stimulating movement children. Children will sing along about head, shoulder, knee, and toe, and they touch the head, shoulder, knee, and toe. And then we have a presenting new language. Teacher asks students to tell their friend about what is their favorite color in front of the class. For example, my favorite color is blah blah blah. Student mention about what is their favorite color. Teacher asks, what color is this? Green. And student repeat it. This lesson will be train a student to public speaking. Will give some experience to tell about their opinion about what they like the color or the favorite color. So student will tell about their favorite color in front of the class, will train and giving some experience in public speaking. And then teacher will giving a concept about the color, like teacher asking, what color is this? Green. And student will give some things that color is green, and student will repeat it. Student will know about the concept of the color.
Next is practice. The teacher asks students to find things in classroom according to the color they learn about. For example, find 10 red. Then the students follow the instruction and running in the class to find things in red. Next, apply. The teacher gave the instruction to students. The teacher asked students to stand up according to the colors that the teacher said. As example, if teacher says red, students with red clothes shall stand up.
For extend, in circle, teacher asks, please stand up if you're wearing something red. Then students that wear something red are standing up and run. Then repeat but with different instruction. For example, stand up if you're wearing something blue. For wrap up or assessment, the teacher asks the student again about the learning content and recalling the activity. For example, the teacher asks to the student what color have been found in the classroom.
Now let's move to the follow-up section. In the follow-up section, the students then start to give response regarding to questions that the teacher asked. There is no further follow-up in the video. As what we have learned before, that follow-up is something that needs to be continuing after the class. And in the video, there is no follow-up to be seen as the activity was exist in the extent section. The next is a reflection. So after what we present right now, learning materials of the class is students to learn about colors, and teacher invites students to find things inside the class according to the color so they can know more about color. And the activity is so interesting for students because it is all about learning and play. This activity also gives students the practice for public speaking about their favorite color, and teacher gives instruction to students to get things in the classroom according to the color they have learned. This activity makes students to listen the instruction from teacher and makes students learn about concept of the color. About last week, not just listening, we discussed that this activity is also channeling with speaking ability because they can also say their favorite colors when teacher asks them. And yeah, that's it from today. Thank you for your attention. Is there any questions?